Hello. This video is for how to use this language editor. Actually it's a website text editor because all the static texts on the website are located here. For example, this biography, inquiry, info, like menu, message. These texts are all located like works of art, and here there is works of art. Here works of art, and biography, and back, menu, and here art, info, inquiry. These texts are all located on here. So if you like to change any of something to something else, for example, this biography, you can call it about the artist or something like that. You can change it here. It goes for the Chinese too, like Chinese, all the Chinese here, English and Chinese. You can change these texts on the website by going to language editor. So this is how you use the language editor.